In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone gallery, reach contacts, and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Let me pick new contact because all my contacts have some photo. Okay, so let me name it Chris and tap on save. So once you have the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, mark it, tap on edit icon and select camera. And you can take a photo now if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. I will pick something and then just select the picture that you would like to add to this contact. Now you can customize it, so you can crop it, you can also rotate it if you want to. So let me do it this way. Then tap on done and click on save. And that's it. From now on, once Chris will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it. This is how you can add a photo to a contact on your device in your UMIDIGI F1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.